Hello, my lovely kids. In this chapter, we will study about LCM. LCM by prime factorization method and common division method. So let's start our class. Three ways to find the LCM: listing multiples method, prime factorization method, and common division method. In the last video, we talked about the listing multiple method. So today we will discuss prime factorization method and common division method. Let's start the LCM by the prime factorization method. In this, we have the numbers 6, 10 and 16. First of all, we have to find the prime factors of the numbers 6, 10 and 16 separately. We got the prime factors of 6, 2 and 3, prime factors of 10, 2 and 5, and the prime factors of 16, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now, we have to write all the prime factors of 6. 2 multiply 3. These are prime factors of the 6. Now we will write the prime factors of 10. Prime factor of 10 are 2 and 5. So 2 we will write below the 2. What is there in the number 6? Below to that we have to write the 2. Now another is 5. Now 5 is not there in the number 6. So that we will write separately. We will not write below the 3. We have to write it separately. Now we write the prime factors of 16. Here first prime factor is 2. That we can write below the other 2's numbers like 2, 2 and 2. And below these 2 we have written the another prime factor of the 16 here. Now next is again 2. But in the number 6 and number 10 there is no more prime factor of like 2. Now what we will do? There is no 2 in 6 and 10. So that we will write separately. We will not write below the 3 and below 5. We will write it separately. Again next 2 is there. Next 2 also we will write separately as it is not the factor of 6 and 10 more. And one more 2 also we will write here separately. Now first of all what we will do, we will multiply. We will take the common factor. The common factor of 6, 10 and 16 are 2. So that we will circle and we wrote over here separately. Now we will look at other factors which are not common. Other factors which are not common are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5. These are not common. So we have to do the product of these not common or uncommon factors also. So these extra factors also we will write along with the common factor. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. These 3 2's we will write, and this number 1, 3. These 3 also we will write over here, and this is also not common and this also will. So we product of all the common factor and the factor which are not common, we will do the product, and what we will get? We will get the LCM as 240 of 6, 10 and 16. Now next method is common division method. In this we have the numbers 39, 45 and 54. First of all we will just divide 39, 45 and 54 with a prime number. So we have to look at the number, the prime number which could divide at least the two numbers. At least two number it should divide. So we'll see, look at the 2. Now 2 is divisible only and only by the 54. So we cannot take 2. So we have to think about the next prime number, that is 3. So 3 can divide 54 and 39. So next prime number we'll take here as 3. When we divide 39 by 3, we'll get over here 13. And when we divide 45 by 3, we will get here 15. And 54 divided by 3, we'll get here 18. So we got the number 13, 15 and 18. Now look at the numbers. The 13 number is our prime number. This is not divisible by any of the number. Now we have to think about other two numbers 15 and 18. Now 15 and 18 numbers are again divisible by 3. So we'll take next number again as 3. A number should at least divide the two numbers. Now 13 is not divisible, so we will write it same. We will not divide because it is not divisible by 3. So we will write the same number down. So 15 divided by 3, we will get here 5. And 18 divided by 3, we will get here 6. Now what we got? We got the numbers 13, 5 and 6. Now what you saw, this 13 is our prime number, 5 is also our prime numbers, and 6 is our composite number. So all the numbers don't have any common factor. So we will stop our division over here. Now what we will do, we have to look at all the numbers, all the numbers which are at the left of the column, which are these 3 and 3. So we have to do the product of these numbers, and the last remainder to get. These are the remainders for this. So we have to multiply all the numbers which are left side and which are the remainders. To find the LCM, what we will do, we'll write over here 3 multiply 3 multiply and then 13, 5 and 6. This also we will multiply. 5 multiply 6 multiply 3. Multiply, it is 5 multiply 6 multiply 13. Now what we will get? We will multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 6. 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. We will multiply all these numbers. 3 multiply 5 multiply 6 and we'll get over here 3510. We'll get the LCM here 3510. So what LCM we are getting? By the product of all the numbers we get here 3510. So 3510 is the LCM of the numbers 39, 45 and 54.